2024 tax season. In today's video, we are going to go over digital assets and why you must report them when you file your taxes. The IRS is warning taxpayers that there are promoters promoting that you do not have to report digital assets, and this is simply not the truth. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. We're also going to go over how to apply for an extension to file your 2023 tax returns. Let's go ahead and get started. A digital asset is a digital representation of value that is recorded on a cryptographically secured distributed ledger or similar technology. Common digital assets include convertible virtual currency and cryptocurrency, stable coins, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Now, unscrupulous promoters often recommend digital assets as being untraceable and undiscoverable by the IRS. However, the IRS can identify and track anonymous transactions of digital assets around the globe. For federal tax purposes, digital assets are treated as property. General tax principles applicable to property transactions are applicable to transactions using digital assets. Transactions involving a digital assets are generally required to be reported on a federal tax return. For example, an investor who held a digital asset as capital asset and sold, exchanged, or transferred it during 2023 must use Form 8949, Sales and Other Dispositions of Capital Assets, to figure their capital gain or loss on the transaction and then report it on Schedule D, Form 1040, Capital Gains and Losses. A taxpayer who disposed of any digital asset by gift may be required to file Form 709, United States Gift Tax Return. If an employee was paid with digital asset, they must report the value of assets received as wages. Similarly, if they work as an independent contractor and was paid with digital assets, they must report that income on Schedule C, Form 1040, Profit or loss from business sole proprietorship. Schedule C is also used by anyone who sold, exchanged, or transferred digital assets to customers in connection with the trade or business. Now let's move on. Need more time to file your 2023 tax return? With the April 15 tax filing deadline fast approaching, the Internal Revenue Service is reminding taxpayers who need more time to file their tax return that receiving an extension to file is quick and easy through IRS Free File on irs.gov. Tax filers, regardless of income, can electronically request Form 4868, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to File U.S. Individual Income Tax Returns by using the IRS Free File Partner software on irs.gov. Extension gives taxpayers an automatic 6 more months to file their 2023 tax return until October 15. While an extension allows for extra time to gather, prepare, and file paperwork, it is important to remember that an extension of time to file your taxes is not an extension of time to pay. Taxpayers who owe should pay their entire obligation as much as they can by the April 15 tax filing deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Taxpayers who pay as much as they can by the due date reduce the overall amount subject to penalty and interest charges. The interest rate for individuals on paid taxes is currently at 7% compound daily. The late filing penalty is generally 5% per month, and the late payment penalty is normally 0.05% per month, both of which max out at 25%. So you want to make sure you apply for that extension if you needed to avoid all of these fees. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2024 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.